Convertio Converter Honest Review Watch Before Using. Convertio Converter Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people get this wrong. They think file conversion is slow, complicated, or full of hidden costs. The surprising truth is that Convertio makes it fast, simple, and surprisingly versatile. Convertio is an online file conversion tool that supports over 300 formats, including documents, images, audio, video, ebooks, and archives. Whether you need to turn a PDF into Word, an MP4 into MP3, or PNG into SVG, Convertio handles it all directly in your browser. What sets it apart is ease of use. You simply upload a file, choose your desired format, and download the converted result. There's no software installation, and it works on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It even integrates with cloud storage like Google Drive and Dropbox, making batch conversion seamless. Most people get tripped up by file quality. Convertio preserves the original formatting and resolution in most cases, which is a huge advantage over free converters that often distort files. It's best for students, professionals, content creators, and anyone who deals with multiple file types regularly. From preparing presentations to optimizing media for web use, Convertio can save hours of frustration. The surprising truth is that you don't need expensive software suites to manage file conversions. Convertio delivers fast, reliable, and free options for most users, with premium plans for heavier workflows. If you want a convenient, high-quality converter that works anywhere, Convertio is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more productivity and tech tool reviews.